In late summer 1977, two robot emissaries from the planet Earth started an epic journey across the solar system and into interstellar space. This is their story. As recently as the mid-1970s, most of the planets in our solar system were a mystery to science. Yes, we were able to glean their basic properties through telescopic and radio observations, but they didn't exist in the public mind as real places, with a beauty and fascination of all their own. The only places we had visited up close were the Moon, Venus, and Mars. This all changed in 1977 with the launch of Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft. It was realized in 1964 that an alignment of most of the outer planets in the solar system would take place in the mid-70s, and that would allow, through gravity assist, one or more spacecrafts to visit them all. The two spacecraft that were eventually launched were marvels of technology for the time. Voyager 1 and 2 carried powerful cameras and sensors out into the void and opened our eyes to the outer planets and their moons as real places with fascinating stories to tell. The giant planet Jupiter was revealed in all its powerful glory. The workings of its immense atmosphere were revealed in intricate detail. Even more interesting were its collections of moons. From cold volcanoes on Io to the ice-covered oceans of Europa, these worlds were revealed as tiny solar systems of their own, powered by the immense power of Jupiter's gravity. For the first time, the beautiful system of ring Saturn and its moons were revealed in stunning detail. The rings were shown to be intricate in detail and extremely complex in dynamics. Saturn's moon, Titan, the largest in the system and the second largest moon in the solar system, was shown to possess an extremely thick atmosphere of nitrogen and methane, with data suggesting the presence of liquid methane oceans on its surface. The moon Enceladus was shown to have an almost pristine icy surface, covering a liquid ocean. Like Jupiter's moon Europa, another possible abode for life. Our understanding of the planets Uranus and Neptune was transformed by the Voyager missions. Tiny dots in Earth-bound telescopes, these ice giants were shown to be complex systems with dynamic atmospheres and many new features such as moons and rings. Voyager 1 left the Saturnian system in November of 1980. Voyager 2 completed its flyby of Neptune in August of 1989. Decades after investigating the major bodies of the solar system, both spacecraft, still operating, crossed the heliopause or bow shock of the solar system, the place where the sun's influence stops and the interstellar space begins. As of the spring of 2022, we're still getting data from Voyager 1 and 2, but their days are numbered. The nuclear power sources that have given our probes life for over 44 years is fading. Not long from now, it's expected that both probes will fall silent as they speed on into the long interstellar night, but they still might have a purpose. Each probe carries a golden record that contains music, photographs, and information about the human life forms that sent these probes hurtling into deep space. Perhaps someday, many millions of years in the future, the Voyager probes may enter another star system, perhaps to be found by another spacefaring civilization. I wonder what they'll make of the audacity of the race called humans who so long ago cast these messages in a bottle into the dark cold of space. I think they'll represent us well.